Here I have iPad mini 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So firstly you have to open your gallery, then you have to pick photo which you want to hide, for example this one, then tap share and then select hide, and now confirm it, and as you can see this photo disappeared, but you can find it in this utilities section, in the hidden, and here it is. If you want to unhide it, tap share it once again and then tap unhide, and now you can find your photo, this photo in your library again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.